Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Callie if you're new, and today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me of my house. It had gotten a little bit messy and I just needed to clean it up and just get it back to looking spick and span. So this is the before of my living room, dining room, bedroom, and kitchen. I'm also going to clean my master bathroom because it desperately needed it. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like it. And also, if you are new to my channel, I'm Callie and I do a lot of lifestyle, home decor, motherhood, and cleaning videos. So if you like that, definitely click that subscribe button down below because I would love to have you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get cleaning. I really like to start with my living room and my dining room just because it's the first thing you see when you walk in the door, and I feel like if those two things are clean, then no one will know that the rest of my house is dirty and needs to be picked up as well. So I love to just start with my living room and my dining room. This vacuum, I get a lot of questions on it. It is the Shark Navigator Freestyle, and I'll link it down below. I love it. It is just a great daily cleaner. I do get out my corded vacuum at least once a week just to get a really deep clean of my rugs and floors, but for everyday messes I love this cordless vacuum, and I want to say it's like $89 on Amazon, so it's pretty reasonable and I absolutely love it. So then moving on to my dining room, I don't know why, but everything seems to end up on our dining room table. So I'm just going to straighten that up, and then I'm going to clean off the table with some Pledge. That's just what I like to use. My husband built this table, and I just really like to keep the wood clean, and I find that Pledge does the best job at doing that. And then after that, I'm just going to vacuum my rug and mop the floors around our dining room. Then after that, I'm going to wipe down this mirror. I do have a 2-year-old, and she loves to just stick her hands right on the mirror every single day, so I have to clean this mirror daily, but it just is what it is. I try to tell her not to touch it, but you know, her hands just go right for it. So I'm going to clean the mirror off, and then I'm going to move into our master bedroom and make the bed and just straighten up a little bit, and then I'm also going to vacuum and mop. I do have a lot of questions on where I got the sign above our bed, and I got it off of Etsy. I'll link the shop down below, and I absolutely love it. It's so just peaceful to me, and I love having it above our bed. So that's where I got that, and I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed and straighten up our bedroom a little bit. Moving on to our master bathroom. Our bathroom was a disaster and it desperately needed to be cleaned. So I'm just taking everything off of the countertops and I'm going to just clean it with some Clorox and some paper towels. And then I'm going to clean the mirror as well. And then I'm going to move on to cleaning the shower and the bathtub and doing the floors and the toilet too.
Feel it, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now. You wanna stay with me now. Days move on like all the time, and this gray sky breaks my mood every morning. Then you come around, spin my world upside down, taught me how to fly higher, higher. Won't you spin me all around again, again? 'Cause when you spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you spin me all around, my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now. Spin me all around, I can't stop the feeling, and it's true, I'm in paradise. It's hard to believe it, 'cause when you
Moving on to our shower, we do have hard water, and I cannot find anything to get rid of these hard water rings in our shower. I don't know what to use. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. I've tried, you know, like every cleaner there is out there. I'm not sure if I can use a scouring stick on this type of material. It's not porcelain, so I doubt it. But if you have a fiberglass tub or any kind of a shower and you have hard water stains and you got rid of them, please let me know what you use down below, because I would love to get rid of that ring around the bottom of the shower. I've tried everything. So definitely let me know if you have something down below. And then I'm just going to continue to clean off the rest of the shower, and then I'm going to take a cup and just rinse everything off, since the shower head doesn't really move in every angle. So I just take a cup and clean everything off.
my head stops to reason. So please help me understand. You wanna stay with me now.
So moving on to the toilet, I did clean the inside of the toilet, but I looked up and realized that my camera wasn't recording, and I wasn't going to do it just for the sake of the video again, but I did clean the inside of the toilet. I just used Clorox and a scouring brush and a regular toilet bowl brush. That's what I find works best for our hard water stains in the toilet. And then I'm just cleaning off the top of the rim on the bowl and the seat. I do use different paper towels for each one of these things because that's just gross. And then I'm going to clean the top and put my little basket back up there, and then I'm done with that. After I have vacuumed, I'm going to come in here and mop. I use the same microfiber mop that I use for my hardwood floors, and I also use a Bruce hardwood cleaner, but it's any kind of floor cleaner. It says on the bottle that it's good for any floor. So I absolutely love the Bruce hardwood cleaner. It's my favorite, and I'm just going to go ahead and mop the floor. And then I also took out the trash and the towels that I needed to wash, and I also washed the rugs that I used for my bathroom, but they are in the dryer, so I'm waiting on those to finish. Moving on to my kitchen, I'm going to unload the dishwasher and then reload it, and then I'm going to clean the sink out and clean up the countertops and just put anything away that does not belong on the counters, and then I'm going to vacuum and mop these floors as well. So then in came my little helper. My daughter Nola loves to help load and unload the dishwasher. She also loves to put the soap in the soap dispenser. I always wash her hands after she touches the little tab because I know it has chemicals on it, but she loves feeling like she has a little bit of responsibility, and I love that. I do love my little Shark vacuum. The only thing I would say is that it does not have a hose, so it makes it a little bit hard to get into certain corners. So I always just go back, especially in my kitchen, and use my handheld vacuum, and I'll just go along under the cabinets. I'll go around this rug as well. The rug is stuck to the floor with floor backing, so I can't pick it up and shake it out, but I do vacuum it, and I do vacuum around it, and then I just go along the edges of my cabinets and just make sure that I got everything from there as well. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I'm so